Hey, young people. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Here, I want to discuss stocks. Stocks! The stock market. What I want to show you live here, how I will make $10 million on stocks in my bedroom on my computer that only costs $1,000. Now, understand this. Let me be honest with you, okay, before you guys get too excited. I am not an expert. You probably should not listen to me because I don't know what the hell I am doing, okay? But I like taking risk. And right now, the world is perceiving a crisis. And it's some great things I'm going to show you here live. Like, I'm going to log into my accounts. You're going to see me do the trades. And I'm going to show you every week how I'm going to make the money. I'm serious, right? So, I'm not going to invest more than $100,000. I got about 20 stocks, and I'm going to show you the stocks. Now, understand, you don't have to do what I'm doing. I suggest that you don't, right? Do your own research. I've done mine. I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert trader. Hell, I don't know what I'm doing, but I just know I'm going to do it, okay? Is that cool? Does everybody understand that, okay? If you understand it, hit the like and share button. I want you to share it because I need a witness. So if you do what I do and lose money, you can't blame me. Don't say, Wesley told me to invest in Delta and now I'm broke. Well, I told you, don't listen to me. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm going to share it with the world. I'm already a millionaire, okay? I'm going to use $100,000 of my money because it's just play money for me. So that means I'm willing to lose. If you're not willing to lose the money, don't do it. Let's go. All right, pick it up. Here we go. So I've been looking at stocks here, okay? And let me show you something here. Let's log into this is my Fidelity account right here. And I have about $500,000 in that account, like $500,000. I have a lot of these accounts, okay? I put money everywhere, so I won't touch it, basically. So this money just been sitting here for a while, so it's just like whatever, okay? So I have something. How many of you have a Fidelity or a Ameritrade account, okay? You should get one. What I do with my money, like I told you guys, I believe in the 70-30 rule. When I make money, 70% goes to one of my Fidelity, Ameritrade, my investor accounts. 30% stays in the bank just to play around with for my lifestyle so I can buy Yeezys and stupid things, right? Like cars. All right, now check it out. Pay attention, please. Now, you might want to copy this down, but do your own research. These are the stock picks that I'm looking at, MGM, okay? Right now, they're at a $7.70 here, okay? And I see they had an increase. I'm watching closely here. And I bought some of this today. Well, actually, it's going to buy tomorrow morning because what I wanted to see if the price was going to increase, and I did see a 56-cent increase, so I bought it. So MGM is basically all the hotels that's in Vegas. Vegas is shut down right now. But think, you don't have to be a professional to know that all the hotels in Vegas, eventually they will be back in business, okay? If you've been watching the news, you'll see that China had no more occurrences of the coronavirus. So this big scam, scandal, whatever you want to call this corona deal, it's going to be put to bed. Which means is all these hotels here are going to open back up. And as you can see here, it was a 52-week high of 34. And if I buy $7, ooh, we're going to make some change, okay? So that's on my watch list. Halliburton, okay? I used to work for this company, okay? This company does not only international, it does business here in the U.S. as well. $4. But look at the 52-week high. It was $32 here. And understand something. All these stocks, these are very reputable companies. A lot of you guys know these companies. And they took a hit because of the scare. So a lot of people, what they did, they just sold their stocks, okay? Which caused the market to go down. Again, you don't have to be an expert to know that. Does that make sense? You don't have to be an expert to know that. Key Corp here, $9. As you can see, I've been watching this closely. It went up $1. So I bought some of this as well. And I'm going to show you guys all my trades here. Avis, okay? Who knows about Avis and budget car rental? All right. They took a nosedive as well at $9. As you can see here, the 52-week high was $52. So, and they just went up $1 today. So I'm going to buy it. Duh, it's only $9, right? I mean, buy 100, buy 20, buy 30, buy something, okay? Hertz car rental, another one, buy it, right? It went up 77 cents. It's $4.15. We had a 52-week high of $20, okay? It's just quick money, in my opinion. You know what I mean? Because eventually it's going to go back up. Like, these are very, very Fortune 500 companies. They make billions of dollars. And the only reason why the stock crashed is because of the stupid coronavirus. But it was a blessing in disguise. And let me tell you something. A lot of investors right now, they're going to make a ton of money based off the scarcity that they've created in the world. They probably did it on purpose. I'm not sure. American Airlines, okay? United Airlines. Look at that. $21. But we'll look at the 52-week high. $96. Like right now, people don't want to fly. Why? Because no one wants to touch anybody, right? So right now, the airports are empty. The flights are empty because people are scared. But as soon as the government, the president, or there's some press release and say, hey, guess what, guys? Everything is okay. Go back to normal. It's going to be a surge of people that fly again. Does that make sense? Again, you don't have to be an expert to know this. This is like, so how about this? I'm going to buy this right now. I'm going to buy some Hertz right now, live. Look at this. You see me? Boom. Trade. I'm going to buy this live here. This is real money. It's not play money here. My individual account. Don't steal my account number, guys, please. Please, I love you. I love all of you, but don't try to take from me. You know, I'm trying to help the world here. I'll buy 1,000 shares right now. And market means, like, the market is closed right now, so we have to wait till tomorrow morning for it to buy. But I don't care. Whatever it buys, it's going to buy, because even if it goes up a bit or it goes down, eventually it will go up, okay? I just want to catch it before. Now, understand, when you do investments, make sure you invest what you can lose. Hello? Make sure that you invest money that you can lose. Do not say that Wesley Virgin, this black guy from Houston, Texas, told me to spend my life savings. I'm telling you not to listen to me. I'm telling you I'm not an expert. I'm just showing you what I'm doing as a multimillionaire. I'm going to catch it before. It's still risky. I may lose, but it's okay. Okay? But I doubt it. I swear to God, I doubt it. Right? All right, here we go. So I want you to look at some of the orders I've done so far. Oh, well, let me do another trade. Hold on. Let's do another trade. Look at this Ford Motor Company here. They went down a little bit, okay? But look at that. The 52-week high is $10. You know what? Let's buy some. Why not? Okay? Yeah, and it went down. Look at that. It went down. So what? It's Ford. You think people not buying cars? Come on. Yeah, right now they're probably not buying cars because they're scared, but eventually everybody's going to buy Ford and Chevy, all of these guys again, right? So I'm going to take a chance on this, right? I don't have to be an expert to know that Ford is... You think Ford is going under? Come on. Come on. They're going to get bailed out anyway. That's just how it works. Hold up. Okay, something is going on with my laptop. What's going on? Well, how about later? Let's go back here. Look at this. Choice Hotels. They went up. Wayfair. Even Planet Fitness, guys. Look at that. Planet Fitness. You know, these are all the people that are, I think, out of shape, but they just want to be in a comfortable environment. It went up $5. I'm buying this right now. Because I don't know what it's going to do. Hold on. Is this making sense, folks? Hold on. Let me look at this. Am I making sense what I'm doing here? And give me a second. I'm going to show you all the stock that I'm buying right now. I'm going to show you everything. Give me a second. Let me buy some more. I want to do this live so people can actually see this happen. Okay? And understand, I have an intention of winning. I'm not going to say, oh, you know, I hope I make some. No, I better. I must. In my opinion, Even if you're not educated on stock markets, like say if you're not a Warren Buffett, it doesn't matter. If you do a trade, you should feel good about the trade. If you don't, just don't do it. But you have to always understand that, I think this is just a luck type of situation because the crisis has affected the market. So, which means that the market will go back. Maybe it takes 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, a year, but who cares? Like this money just sits there. It's doing nothing for me. So that's been 100,000. And let's see if I can make 10 million. And I know I will. Trust me. And I'm going to show you. Market order here. Preview order. Okay. Whoa. We don't want to spend 16,000. Whoa. Back up, Wes. Back up. Hold on. What was I buying? Oh, even Uber. Look at that. Uber got affected. Let's buy some Uber real quick. And like I said before, you don't have to spend a lot of money, okay? Okay. Any questions for me? Just curious. Just buy 100. Like, you don't have to buy a lot. Just buy a little bit, I just want to double and triple my money. That's about it. So I buy a lot of it, and I buy different stocks, right? So as we add up the money, as I see it increase, I will buy more. As I watch the news and see, people are going to jump on TV and say, hey, the corona's over. It's going to be insane. You'll see. It's going to be a surge for cash. It's $2,000. Okay, let's go to manage orders. Now, here you can see all the stock that I bought. Look, I'm buying. Can everybody see that? I bought Uber, Hertz, Delta. Oh, I bought 2 Hertz. I need to delete one. This is Key Corp. This is Vacations. This is MGM so far. Does that make sense? And you can just get Fidelity. It's all good. Just get any one of these accounts. You can get Ameritrade. Any type of account that allows you to trade. Now, any questions about what I just showed you? All right, I'm going to spend about, like I told you, $100,000 between today and Friday, which is tomorrow, and we're going to watch the market here. But do your research, okay? Yahoo Finance, that's what I use, and I just type in top losers. Look, the day losers, right? I want to hang with the losers. This is probably the only time I want to hang around losers, okay, when it comes to the stock market, because companies like Marriott, I mean, come on. You think Marriott is going to go out of business? A huge, insane company here. It's just the coronavirus. The coronavirus affected the market. HR Block. Now, how many of you are going to check it out? Like I said, don't spend any money that you can't lose. Okay, just don't go broke. Don't be stupid, right? Buy 10, buy 20, but buy a lot of them, because then you'll be able to follow the trends as they increase and decrease. Find out how much money you want to make. I want to make $10 million. So that means that I have to do the math based off what I buy at the current price to make that amount of money. Does that make sense? And I believe I can do it with $100,000. Can I trade if I'm not in you? I don't know. I have no idea. Like I said, I'm not an expert. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't listen to me. You shouldn't listen to Wesley Virgin. I'm serious. I mean, I'm just being honest. But, a lot of you want to know what happens in my life and what I do. And I'm not going to lie, I get lucky sometimes, but I'm able to look at trends. And I just think it's a trend right now. It just makes perfect sense. Like Delta, Spirit, United, Marriott, all these companies that are Fortune 500, they're not forever going to be low, okay? And it's obvious why they took a nosedive. But do you not think that somebody right now is buying the shit out of this stuff? I mean, of course. The expert traders are doing it. I know they are. If they're not, then guess what? I take a loss. But I doubt it. Any questions for me? Yes, I will post this video. And guess what? I'm done. This is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. I just showed you my Fidelity account. And you can always look below if you want to understand the mindset that I use behind this to be able to make this money. Listen, you can go below, okay? You can click the link and you can get the same mindset that I have to be able to manifest millions of dollars. I'm going to do $10 million. Maybe you could do 10,000. I'm not sure. But if you don't have the mindset, then don't click the link below, because you need to assimilate the mindset first to be able to understand that failure is not an option. Let's go! Later. I gotta go, folks.